No one suffers more than the spiritually awake woman who is stuck in religion. She knows she's settling for less. She knows she has a direct connection with the universe, and that whatever she wants, she births, because she is Ogugu, the portal of all that is living on this plane. Yet, she outsources her power the way Nigeria exports its crude oil to then import petrol at a higher price from her colonial masters. She abandons her authority and the throne that was prepared for her and sits on the ground, waiting for Jesus to pass and stir the pool of Bethesda. Her cognitive dissonance will drive her mad, and she will become an evil bat to her underage mates. Don't be this woman. Embrace your spirituality. Embrace your higher goddess self, my sisters. Become Ogugu and help your Ikenga lead the Igbo nation forward to our destiny. Remember, whatever you bet is what will exist, even your Ikenga. Use Holy Ezumezu as your Igofo in your car when you're running late in the mornings, and use it as a meditation tool. I play it all day.